From Hazrat Shah Jalal International Airport, just about 18 kilometers to the northwest at Ashulia, Shawar, this is the main complex of Sharmin Group. It's a one-stop, high-quality woven bottoms and outerwear manufacturer and exporter from Bangladesh. It has been operating in the international market since 1999. Sharmin Group is certified with CT-PAT, RAP, BSCI, Control Union, WCA, and several other globally recognized quality, environment, and management standards. It is housed on an aggregate floor space of around 850,000 square feet on buildings, almost all of which is monitored through CCTV surveillance and are successfully evaluated for structural excellence, which is without compromising quality at all. In Sharmin Group, around 12,000 people are working in production lines. The group maintains a very high order of relations with its workforce and looks after everything necessary for their well-being. It provides personal health and hygiene measures, on-time wages and other financial benefits, appropriate medical care, befitting maternity attention and benefits, safe and homely childcare services, food allowances, Sharmin Group offers them some more benefits and privileges that are not mandatory in the given law of the country. Sharmin is committed to maintaining an environment in which the workers can feel their working place is their second home. For augmenting its apparel further, as per the desire of its buyers, these machines are of world standards. Considering its workforce resource as one of its key success factors, Sharmin Group provides training to them on a regular basis to help improve quality and productivity. A Workers' Participation Committee is here to develop awareness among employees and workers about their rights and responsibilities. Through appropriate training and orientation, Sharmin Group keeps them always prepared to handle different types of occupational hazards. Firefighting preparation gets an extra emphasis here. At all of its premises, Sharmin Group exercises evacuation drill on a regular schedule to make sure all people on its floors would safely, successfully and smoothly respond to any emergency call for evacuation. Sharmin Group's merchandising experts are highly experienced. They have the ultimate visualization and demonstration techniques to make effective negotiation an instant affair here. Here, laboratory test plays an inseparably critical role at different stages throughout the production process. Lab dip, home laundering machine, tear and seam slippage machine, pH, rubbing, spectrophotometer and metron titration machines are used. As well, all the chemical tests necessary and much of the production QC are done here through random sample testing at different stages in the processes to decide whether or not the run is underway accordingly. And it is supported with research, development and sample production facilities, which are by far the best in the industry. Clone-like reproduction of approved samples has become part of Sharmin Group culture. However, Sharmin tunes the production orchestration very carefully beforehand through pre-production meetings and a successful trial production process. The group is capable of using all types of denim and non-denim fabrics. Here, fabrics are procured conforming to very high standards of quality parameters and buyers' requirements, and from its own sources meticulously chosen based on the track record of delivery and quality performances. Yet, Sharmin Group inspects fabrics thoroughly, yard by yard, conforming to the 4-point checking system. Then, obtaining patterns and markers using the world's leading computer-aided solutions, it moves forward to cutting in bulks to ensure optimal utilization of fabrics. And then it moves to sewing, where it ensures identical reproduction of approved samples. Nearly 11,500 carefully selected, skilled people are now working in the group to make tops and bottoms. Designed with a contemporary and state-of-the-art machinery and equipment, the group has 79 lines in a spacious accommodation of about 850,000 square feet of floor space. Sharmin Group confidently claims to have an inexhaustible expertise in woven apparel making, because not only it has all the necessary specialized machines, most contemporary in the industry, but also it conforms inline and endline QC and makes sure each and every garment is individually inspected. At present, it is producing about 2.4 million pieces of quality apparel every month. In washing, Sharmin Group is capable of processing wet process such as garment wash, silicone wash, enzyme wash, bleach wash, garment dyeing, double dyeing, ozone process, acid wash, towel wash, tie-dye and stone wash, etc. As well, it can run dry process involving hand scraping, netting or tie washing, color spray, tacking, destroying or damaging, grinding, PP spraying and crinkle or 3D, hand whisker, splatter, coating, etc. In aggregate, it has a washing capacity of 3 million pieces per month. Following ironing and other invariable finishing touches, the final QC is done to hit the quality level of AQL 1.5 to 2.5. But Sharmin Group looks forward to achieving the zero rejection level soon. Here, again, each and every piece of apparel is subject to passing through thorough inspections for quality and metal-free status. Then, here in the CT Pat enclosure, designated packing experts not only conform to the required security measures, but also carefully check the get-up and presentation of the polypacked items. As well, they inspect the complete cartons to ensure the high-quality standard Sharmin Group seeks to conform. Sharmin provides its buyers checking facilities, self-sufficient with necessary equipment. Under constant surveillance, however, the group's logistic fleet carries the export cargoes to the correct destinations on time. And therefore, Sharmin Group has quite comfortably been maintaining the delivery deadlines with extreme professionalism for all of its clients, well spread across Europe, having H&M, Lidl, Kayabi, Primark on the same as well. The products that Sharmin Group manufactures includes trousers, shorts, skirts, shirts, jackets, nightwear, swimwear, etc. Sharmin Group exported apparel worth in aggregate about $90 million in 2015 and $110 million in 2016. Export is expected to reach $130 million by the end of 2017. Yes, Sharmin Group is committed to pack its buyers every single penny with value.